In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to fix the clock of your Toyota Rav4 first gen. It's really easy, you don't need to have special skills, and you probably have everything you need around your house. You'll need a soldering gun with a fine tip like this one. All right. You may need some soldering wire, but 90% of the cases you won't need this at all. You'll need a flathead screwdriver like this one, or maybe a knife can do the job. And you'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver. This bit is the PH1 size. Okay? So first step is to open the casing to have access to the electronics. The casing is held with these 4 tabs. Okay? All we need to do is take your flathead screwdriver or knife, and you need to pry them slowly. They're plastic, they can break, but if you do it gently, nothing will happen. Okay, and the last one. Great. Now, before opening, I suggest you turn it facing down and open it this way, because these buttons will otherwise fall around and you may lose them. So let's set this apart. Okay, now we have this. There are 2 Phillips head screws, one here and one here. We need to remove them both. Okay, and when you're doing this, the electronic part will fall automatically. Let's put it here. This you won't need it, and be careful, because as you can see, there are small springs that fell from these connectors, and you'll need them at the end. So set everything aside, the screws with the small springs, like so. Okay, perfect. Now we have this. This is the circuit board. All right. What's happening with these clocks is that these 3, I don't know how to call them, while they're soldering on the side, are going bad. They have micro cracks or something. So the clock is not working, or it's working in a very dim way. So all we have to do is take our soldering gun and hit every connector. So these two, and these 2. I'll show you. Okay, so let's start this. All you have to do is put your soldering gun tip on the soldering, and it should melt. Oops. Don't burn the board, you'll be fine. Okay, like so. Now do it to the other one. Okay, this one. And now for the last one. If it doesn't work after this, you can do the same thing, but at the same time adding some new soldering. Before putting it back completely, let's test this out. Okay, you're gonna take this part back, and if the springs are not attached, like here, you're gonna take them and put them over each prong. Oops, like so. It should look like this. Whoops, like this. Okay, now take your circuit board, and you see those here. well, they need to match those here. So insert it, and you can put back the screws, but since we're just going to test this out and see if it's working, bring it to your car, just keep it pressed like this so nothing flies everywhere, and we'll see if it's working. So let me connect it with the connector that is the same that you have in your car. And yeah, it's working well. As you can see, the numbers are clear and yeah, it lights up beautifully. This means what we just did is fixing the problem. So let's remove this. And now we can reassemble the casing by putting the screws first. Let's put them back. Perfect. And now all we have to do is take this part and, just put it over like this and clip it. If it didn't work, well, you can go on eBay. I think they're selling for $20-30 last time I checked. And yeah, this, I guess you can do it this way, but this simple trick, at least you can try it at home before going to buy another one. And it's working almost all the time. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me a like if this video helped you solve your problem. See you in the next one.